Bonjour. Bonjour means hello or good morning. Say it with me. Bonjour.
Salut! Salut also means hello, but it's more casual. Say it with me. Salut!
Bonsoir means good evening. Repeat after me. Bonsoir. Soir.
Au revoir means goodbye. À bientôt means see you soon. Say them with me. Au revoir. À bientôt.
Comment tu t'appelles? It means, what is your name? Let's say it together. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle means my name is. For example, je m'appelle Madame Magnifique. Now it's your turn. Excellent! Today you learned how to greet someone and introduce yourself in French. Practice these phrases every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. À bientôt! Au revoir!